This tutorial will cover the installation of the Windows desktop application. Once you are logged into Kahua, click on your name or initials in the top right-hand corner of the screen. From the drop-down, select Download Kahua for Windows. The installation application will automatically start downloading. Once the file is downloaded, go ahead and click on the file. The installer will then prompt you to install. Click Install. The Launch When Ready checkbox is checked, so Kahua will launch after installation is complete. At the login screen, enter your email address and password. Once signed in, Kahua will redirect you to the Kahua homepage.